ever. Got them 3D graphics. Got them graphics all days. Oh, it's getting bigger.
It's huge. OMG. Our fireworks set off a freaking fire here in Ridgecrest, California. I don't think it's funny, but it's funny. It's crazy. This is freaking crazy. Look at that. We can't even have fireworks in Cali. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that.
What?
Over there. It's huge. Oh my God. This is freaking crazy. They knew it was too freaking dry to have a fireworks show out here, but hey, I can't say anything because
It's for the kids.
this is wow. This is wow. And apparently they're obviously automatic because they can't stop them even though the fires have started. So that's weird.
Whoa. That one was good.
Oh my gosh. East Ridgecrest, California is on fire, you guys. From 2025, July 2025, fireworks. Finally, the fire truck is arriving. Wow, this is bonkers. Bonkers. Oh my gosh. Okay, fireworks finally stopped. This is crazy. That's a huge fire. A huge fire. Shh. Wow. Lord help us and thank God it's not windy tonight. Oh God.